Did you know there was a moment when Africa almost became one united country, and it could have changed the world forever? In the 1950s and 60s, waves of independence swept across the continent. Colonial powers were leaving, and a bold dream of unity was born. Kwame Nkrumah, the visionary leader from Ghana, believed Africa could unite like the United States, one strong, unstoppable continent. He proposed a United States of Africa, a continent without borders, with shared economies, armies, and a single government. But not everyone agreed. Many leaders feared losing power, and old rivalries combined with colonial borders made unity nearly impossible. Despite these challenges, Nkrumah hosted the All-African Peoples Conference in 1958, bringing together leaders, thinkers, and activists from across Africa. They imagined free movement, shared resources, and even a single African currency. Africa could have become one country. But external pressures, Cold War politics, and internal disagreements stopped the dream from becoming reality. Today, that vision still lives on through the African Union. The dream of one united Africa continues to inspire millions. Imagine a continent united as one. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video.